Okay, back to what we're doing. As I said, we just sort of we're taking the main essentials here, and we were just sort of shaping them just a little bit. We'll get into more detail as we go along. Alright, on this side, we're going to go ahead and sort of sketch out our arms. We're going to go ahead, let's do is just separate where the head's going to be from the, go on each side, and just go ahead and put where the head is separated from the, just to give a general idea of what, and we can make a cut there just to show where we're at. Just like that, just to give us an idea of where we're at. Okay, let's go to this side over here. Let's just sort of draw our arms, as we might say. Of course, they're going to be a little bit thinner, but just get a general idea of where our arms are going to be on the caricature. And let's just sort of cut into there just a little bit. Like we normally do. Just like that. Move that wood where our arms are going to be. I'm going to come down a little bit more on that arm. Make those arms a little bit bigger. We're probably going to put a coat on him, so there we go. Just give a general idea of where we want to start at, as we might say, just like that. Okay? Now, let me erase this right here. Let me show you our situation here. What we're going to do is we're going to come down from here, actually right into here, and then we're going to come this way. What we're doing is we're going to make the arm where he's carrying his just like this. Now I'm making it a lot bigger than what it should be. Sometimes I just have to look at it. There we go. Something similar to that. Where he will be carrying his stick and his okay. Now what we do is we cut into here, and then we cut into here. Okay? Just like that. We cut into here. I just drew that on there, see? Now we're gonna we'll arrange how we want that to look in such a way. But that's sort of the of course all this will be cut back where we'll have the hand like that. But all we're doing is establishing boundaries here where the arm's going to be and where it's going to come from. See, I like to establish my boundaries on a carving quickly, in other words. Okay? Just like that. And then I can go from there. See, I don't have to carve them completely at first. I just have to establish my boundaries, like where the hands are going to be, what the hands are going to be doing, what the situation of the carving is like. Okay? So that's what I just did. Okay? Now, I'm going to cut a little bit more here. There we go. Just like that. And then we can kind of work through this here. Okay. Because as in all things, you draw your there we go. See? That way I know what not to cut off and what I can cut off and what I can't cut off. Like that. Okay. Just sort of do that. And then bring this further up. Okay. Let's remove a little wood in here. Just a little bit of wood in here. All right.